Hey guys, this is our next review session. This is about simplifying expressions, rationals, radicals, and logs. Oh my! First off, we got some of the simpler rational expressions, and in this case, I'm looking at basically a couple fractions being multiplied by each other. One option here would be to just kind of multiply things straight across. We get 6v squared on top, and on the bottom we get 12v. The numbers reduce to 1 over 2. V squared over v means I've got a v on the top, nothing on the bottom, and that's going to be d. This is often the most frequently gotten wrong question on the final, and we're always at a bit of a loss for why that's the case, because the math here is not that crazy. I think we overcomplicate it. So if we are dividing these things, first thing I'm going to do is to write my first fraction. Then I'm going to flip the second one and multiply. And I'm probably just going to deal with the multiplication here first. So we end up with 4x cubed times 3x squared y. That's going to be 12x to the 5y. And on the bottom, we're going to have 3xy times 4, which is 12xy. 12's cancel out, y's cancel out, and x to the 5 divided by x is going to be x to the 4th, which is answer C. Then we get into some more complicated ones where we got to do a little bit of factoring first. Yes, everybody's favorite F word, factoring. In terms of factoring the top of this, we've got things that need to multiply to negative 10 and add up to positive 3. That's going to be positive 5 and negative 2. Since these are all easy factoring things, we can use our shortcuts to factor this. And when we do that, we get n plus 5 times n minus 2 over, and then we look at the bottom, okay? Same thing, multiplying to 6 and adding up to negative 5. That's going to be negative 3 and negative 2. n minus 3 and n minus 2. You might notice the n minus 2's reduce, and you're left with positive n plus 5 over n minus 3, which is answer choice C. Looking at number 78, same thing going on. Multiply to negative 6, add up to negative 1. That's going to factor into v minus 3 times v plus 2. On the bottom, we got minus 8 and adding up to negative 2. It's going to be minus 4 plus 2, v minus 4, v plus 2. Leaving us with v minus 3 and v minus 4 after we cancel out the plus 2's, which is answer choice C. Moving on to logs and exponentials, we have to rewrite this in log form or exponential form. I've got base, answer, exponent. So 216 to the negative 1 over 3 would equal 1/6. For number 82, base, answer, exponent. 4 to the 2 is going to be 16. Going backwards, looking at 84, we've got base, exponent, answer. It's going to be log base 6 of 1 over 36 is equal to negative 2. For number 86, we're going to have log base 12 of 1 over 144, and that's equal to negative 2. For number 88, we've got to simplify some stuff. First thing we do is distribute that power to both pieces. So I guess we only have one here. So we get 9 to the 2c. That means we're looking at 9 to the 2c times a half, which is just 9 to the c. For number 90, this time we have two pieces, so this is going to go to both parts. 64 to the 1/2, you will have to reduce that. And a to the 4b times a half. 64 to the 1/2, again, you can just use this on a calculator if you're not comfortable with this, but a 1/2 exponent is just a square root. The square root of 64 is 8. 8 times a, 4b times a half is 2b. And that's it.